Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom almost and tap on General Management. Here let's enter the reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And here we've got also the information that this action cannot be undone. So just tap on reset, and as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.